Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today, I've got a killer low budget strategy for turning 2 brochures into 1, so let's take a closer look. Wanderlust Tours needed 2 brochures for their seasonal tours, one for warm weather tours and one for cold weather tours. So their marketing agency discovered that they could merge 2 brochures into 1 by using a simple reverse accordion fold to print all kayaking content on one side and all of the snowshoe content on the other. And depending upon which season was dominant at the time, they could fold it one way to have the kayaking content facing out and the other way to have the snowshoe content facing out. What is very important to understand is that this is a reverse accordion. In a reverse accordion, the first fold is on the right, which ensures that all content connects from cover to back cover on both sides. On a classic accordion fold, the first fold is to the left of the cover, which means panel content will be on both sides of the sheet. And now I'll give you another practical use for this strategy. Let's say you need to create designs that support 2 languages, like we see in the sample for Archdiocese of Baltimore. They needed all of the content displayed in both English and Spanish, so when it folds one way, it's English, and you can see how quickly a fold in the other direction makes it so the Spanish version is the dominant side. What I love about this idea is that it's the most machinable, easy fold, which makes it widely accessible not only for marketers, but for just about any printer to produce too. Just know that a classic accordion like this can't self-mail because the edges are open on both sides, but that's truly the only potentially negative point I can come up with on this one. This technique is just one of those simple things that might never occur to you until you see it with your own eyes, and that's what I'm here for, so it's all good. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.